Lake Nyos had formed around 400 years ago at the site of a volcanic eruption. And although the volcano is dormant, there is still some activity deep beneath the lake bed. This creates CO2, which then seeps through the cracks in the rock and bubbles into the bottom of the lake, exactly into the Goldilocks area where CO2 solubility is highest. But still, there is a limit as to how much CO2 this water can hold. As more and more CO2 dissolved into the depths of Lake Nyos over hundreds of years, it became more and more unstable, edging closer and closer to a disaster.
And that is exactly what happened. The heavily CO2-loaded cold water at the bottom of the lake was somehow moved upwards into the warmer, lower pressure layers of the lake, and that caused an explosion. As a result, around 120 million cubic meters of CO2, which is enough to fill almost 10 football stadiums, was released in 20 seconds. And this enormous killer fog of CO2, 40 meters in height, hugged the land and travelled along the valley towards Lake Nyos village at 100 kilometers an hour, which is 60 miles an hour. And that cloud killed almost every human, animal, and insect that crossed its path.